I see you there with trembling hands, facing a storm not many will understand. And though your lips may form no sound, your breaking heart is screaming loud. This waiting room is so cold and still, but you will get through this. Yes, you will. So cry, my dear sister, let the tears fall. You don't have to hide your pain at all. And even now, in this hardest part, there's hope still beating in your heart. To the woman in the waiting room, crying, you're seen. You are not alone. This is a fight, and you, my sister, are strong.